Welcome back, guys, to Jared the Journeyman. Today I'm going to give you a progress report on the patient rooms on the last two videos that I've done. So we've got some good progress going down these corridors, going up in the ceiling. So let me get you guys turned around and show you what's going on. All right, guys, we're back in the patient rooms and I'm going to show you some stuff we got going up into the corridors. We got our basket trays up. Got a bunch of fire alarms pipe up in the air. There's our 4-inch feeders that they will be able, the low voltage guys will be able to feed all of their Cat 5, RG6, Cat 6, 2 conductor, fiber optics, whatever, up in this up in the cable tray. Let me get you into one of these patient rooms and we'll see the progress on it. Here we go into one of the patient rooms. As you can see, there's painting being done. They've got some wall decor on. Looks like some 18 by 18 tile going in between the TV wall. Let me get back here. Then they've got the other wall painted, this accent wall. That's where the sink and the vanity lights are gonna go, and then there's some casework that's gonna go up in that corner. We've got our tie wire ready for our lights. 2x4 lights. All we're waiting for is the floors to be cleaned up a little bit better before they're going to release the ceiling tile to us. Then we can put our recess cans in right in here. Then we'll come back in and button up that ceiling at our devices. We've got the floor tiled up. Just need wall treatment. There is solid surface floor pan underneath that cardboard, and then a recess can here. Our exhaust fans are up. So that's a little quick tour of this patient room. There's 32 of these, so no need to bore you with seeing the same thing 32 times over. As we go down the corridor, we've got our IT room. That's coming along good. The low voltage guys are they're trying to install their ladder racks. I don't know about this string at this time, but the carpenters do have the walls plywood so that everybody can put their devices on. Looks like IT guys have their cabinets in. So we're coming along with this. So we'll wait a little bit longer and then we'll start hanging lights in here. So we'll get out of this IT room. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below about this this progress and project we're on. Here again to the right, we've got our electrical room. Home runs are being pulled in at this time. We've got some of the transformers going in. We're gonna have 4 of these in here. One will sit here stacked on top of this, the other one, and that will go right here also. There will be one floor one, and then there will be one stacked up here. We have some racks made. As you can tell, the transformers are physically 2 different sizes. The big one will be on bottom, the smaller one will be on top. So we've got all our home runs are starting to come in. By the end of this next week, we'll have all this pulled in. We started measuring for our feeders, so we'll get all the sub feed pulled in and ready to go. Just a house housekeeping closet in here where their mop sinks and cleaning supplies. This will be a clean room in here. If you guys want, go back and look at my other 2 videos of these patient rooms as they progress. I've got it for where you can see the completely what's in the walls. And now we're at this stage of the game. Nurse's station again. Of course, there's a whole bunch of tile for your patient rooms. As we walk down the corridor, you can see more cable tray, fire alarm, everything's low. This is our last piece of material that's going up into the ceilings before we can cover. So we've got all that in. Our next step will be to come back in and install single pole switches in the green boxes up there. Those are for your VAVs, so they can isolate power up there. And then we'll start dropping in recess cans as soon as they give us a grid up there. So that's a quick progress report on all the patients. As you can see all the way down, that's typical all the way down. Patient rooms are coming along quick. Let's go, let's go down here. More patient rooms, more cable tray. Right down here is your waiting room for the people in your patient rooms. This will be for your family members and whatnot. They're coming in. This is coming together fine. This is kind of a staging area for the trim carpenters and the ceiling guys. So that ceiling's coming along. More fire alarm. Lights will be next. So there's a quick rundown, dirty of the patient rooms, and that's all I got for you today. As always, guys, thanks for watching and be safe out there.